Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make clipping mask. As you can see, I have a blank document here. Now first of all, you can make any sort of clipping mask that you want from a pen. For example, a weird shape like this, but I'm gonna use one of these basic drawing tools in here that we have. I'm gonna select the polygon or the star tool. Okay, it looks good, and let's bring it down and place it somewhere here. Okay, now once you have done that, go back to your selection tool and click away and click back to select it. Sometimes if you don't select it properly, and you think it is selected, Illustrator does weird things. Okay, it's a good idea to select it properly. Okay, once it's selected, then hit Ctrl X on the keyboard to make it part of the clipboard. If you don't know what clipboards are and how to make clipboard, I have done tutorials about this in the tutorial series, this Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Go back to those earlier tutorials and you will learn all about clipboards. So once that information has been saved in the clipboard, now we are going to place an image here so that we can make a clipping mask out of it. Go to place. Of course, you can hit the Ctrl Shift. Now what image to place? Okay, I'm gonna place this image, which is of this eggs and stuff. Okay, let's import it and bring it here, and then we're going to draw an image like so. Actually, let's make it a little bigger. You don't worry about that because we are going to make a mask out of it anyway. So once the image has been placed, now what we can do is that we can make a mask just by clicking this option over here, and it's going to create a mask, but it's going to be a rectangular mask, and then we have to adjust its size. But I don't want that. I want my own mask that I just saved into the clipboards, and I want to apply that. To apply that to it, and in front of it, you have to press keyboard keys Ctrl plus F, and it's here in front of it. Of course, you can adjust the documents if you want, which place you want to be part of the clipping mask or which place you don't want to be the part of the clipping mask. Those things can be adjusted. You can also adjust the size. Perhaps we want this whole nest or this whole basket of eggs to come in our clipping mask and stuff like that. Okay, once that's done, then select your artboard or mask, and also the image that you want it to be part of, or you want it to make a clipping mask of it. Once both of them are selected, then on your keyboard you can hit Ctrl 7. That's going to make a clipping mask, or you can alternately go to object, come down here where it says clipping mask, and then click on this option which says make. Also, as you can see, the control shortcuts, the keyboard shortcuts are given Ctrl 7. Once you click it, a beautiful clipping mask has been created in the shape of this star. Of course, you can adjust and increase and decrease its size, rotate it, and do whatever stuff that you can do with it. With this image, it's going to totally do it. That's how people make beautiful clipping masks like this with background images and stuff, and then they place it inside their documents. Actually, at the end of these tutorials of this Illustrator, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful image in beautiful graphic shapes. You can save different sort of your image, maybe of your holiday, and also write a little description in front of them, and we're going to do that project hopefully in the future. But now you know how to make a clipping mask, and if you don't know and still confused, you can leave comments in the comment section, and then I will try to answer them as much promptly or quickly as possible. So with that said, I take my leave from you guys and hope to see you in the next one.